Hello, everyone. It's Joseph here again, and welcome to lesson 6 of beginner of the 7 days beginner course. I hope you've been enjoying the previous classes. If you have not watched the previous classes, I will advise you to go back and check out the courses. And let's dive into today's class. Yeah. So, in today's class, I'll be teaching you the guitar skill and how to add skills to a chord progression. Yeah. So, the chord progression will be, the skill I'll be showing you in this class is the G major scale, and it is played this way. So we'll be making use of our 3 fingers, just our 3 fingers, and the third finger is going to play the the sixth string on the third fret, and the next note will be plucking. And mind you, I'm using a pick. So you can also use your fingers too, but I'm using a pick now. So just pluck down. So the next note we'll be playing is the open string of the 5th string. So it sounds this way. Again. The next note we'll be playing is on the 5th string also, but on the 2nd fret using our 2nd finger. So mind you, this is our 1st finger, this is our 2nd finger, this is our 3rd finger, and this is our 4th finger. So we are only using about 3 fingers here. So you are using your 2nd finger on the 5th string on the 2nd fret. So it's going to sound this way from the first note. Then the next note is still on the 5th string. We'll be using our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret. So the next note is the open string of the 4th string. So it goes this way from the beginning. Then the next note is still on the 4th string, but on the 2nd fret. That means we will be using our 2nd finger. Then the next note is on the 4th string, but on the 4th fret. So we'll be using our pinky finger. We'll stretch a bit here. So let's start from the beginning. It sounds this way. Again. Yeah. So the final note is the open string on the 3rd string. So just play the open string. So all together it sounds this way. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So that's the G major scale. And in this lesson, I'll be showing you how to apply the G major scale to a popular song by the legendary Bob Marley. The song is Redemption Song, and I'm going to be showing you how to play Redemption Song by Bob Marley using the G major scale. And the chords that we'll be using for this song are chords that we've done in our previous classes. We've treated the major chords, and we've treated the minor chord in the last lesson 5. So we'll be adding both the major chord and the minor chord together for this song. And so the first chord is the G major chord. The next chord is the E minor chord. The next chord is the A minor chord. And the final chord is the D major chord. Those are the 4 chords that we will be using to play the Redemption Song. And the song goes this way. So from the intro, it sounds this way. Okay, so how do we play that short riff? So we'll be playing Do, Re, Mi, Do, Fa, La, So, Mi, Do, Re, Mi, So, Mi, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Then we dive into the song. So this is the song proper, and I'll be starting with the G major scale riff, and it goes this way. One more time. Okay. So you go to the C, to the A minor, back to the G, to E minor, to C, to the C, now you go to the D, and you just stay there until back to the G, then to E minor, back to C, that's all about the song. So that's basically about this song, and I hope you've been able to learn 1 or 2 things in this lesson 6. And don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the final class, lesson 7. Cheers.